if you have issue with your local bank account of your Google AdSense payment profile, and now you need to change your local bank account in your Google AdSense account. If you don't know about how you can change your local bank account in your Google payment profile, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your payment profile in your Google AdSense account. Hello friends, I am Prajan Rai and you are watching now Mission Top Tech YouTube channel. So without any late, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, this is my Google AdSense account dashboard in my mobile screen. So today I'm using Google Chrome browser in my mobile phone. Okay, as you can see, here is already signed in my Google AdSense account in my mobile phone. So now I tap here in 3 dash options in top left side corner, and as you can see, this is the payment options, and tap in payment info. It's loading, and now scroll up, and here you can see here is the option is how you get paid. Okay, this is my local bank account that I have previously set up with my Google AdSense payment profile, but now my bank is recently merged with another bank, so now I need to change this bank account. So now I need to remove this bank account and connect with another bank account. So today I'm remove this bank account from my Google AdSense payment profile. So now I'm going to tap here in manage payment method, and now I'm going to, and here we can add our payment method, like add new check details or add new wire transfer details. In my case, I'm from Nepal, so I'm going to choose these options, add new wire transfer details. And now I'm going to fill up requirements field like bank name on bank account. I type my name here. After I input my bank name, and now I need to input SWIFT code here. You can search your SWIFT code of your bank account in Google. So I have searched my SWIFT code in Google. So now I type here my SWIFT code. Okay. After input my SWIFT code, now I'm going to type account number here, and we need to retype account number here. And after fill up this all requirement details, we need to turn on check mark here in set as primary payment method options and tap on save button. Okay, as you can see, here is 2 bank account in my payment methods. So now I'm going to remove my old bank account from my Google AdSense payment profile. So now I'm going to remove this bank account, and here it's asking questions, remove payment method. So now I'm going to agree with this question. So now I'm tap here in remove button. Okay, as you can see, I have successfully removed my old bank account from my Google AdSense payment profile. So if you have also in this type of issue in your bank account and you need to change your bank account right now, you can also change your payment method in your Google AdSense account. I hope you understand this video. If you have any confusion in this video, please leave the comment in comment section below. I will meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye, namaste.